Remember, keep moving up too.
Yeah. Hey, I got one. Got one. Oh, dude, I got a nice one.
A nice whitefish. Huge whitefish. A fucking huge whitefish. Come over here.
Hold on. I just gotta keep that tension on.
Dude, that's like a 4-pound whitefish.
Here, you grab my there's it's set up for video, yeah.
Alright. Alright, Johnny boy's got a freaking hog.
We got a hog
whitefish.
whitefish going on here.
Montana whitefish. This thing's like,
Look at that thing, beautiful.
walk him over here if you can. You want to try to net him yourself?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Try it. So just get him up onto the shallows?
Yeah, try to get him here in the shallows.
Okay.
If you can. He might run. That's a big fish, dude. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my god.
I guess I really don't.
Worm too.
I guess I really don't need a net. Or should I net him?
Yeah, put him in the net so you can get him unhooked if you can.
There we go. Nice.
Dude.
All right, dude.
Barely fits in the net.
There we go. Oh my god. Look at this guy. So whitefish?
Yep, Montana whitefish, baby. So the cool thing about whitefish is they only live in streams. Did you get it out or you want me to?
No, I got it.
They only live in streams that are really clean and pure.
Yeah.
Can you get it out?
I'm trying. I might need those pliers.
Kind of work it the way it came in if you can.
Yeah.
While you're doing that.
There we go. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now take him. See, you drop back in the net if you can.
Get that one out of there.
Yep.
Yeah, let's get him a little water.
Yeah, you're pop him in the net.
Yep.
And then get him in some water. Dude, what's funny is he hit almost the same spot that mine did.
All right, you ready? Put that on photo mode?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Here, let me get upstream that way.
I don't know how to. Oh, wait, okay, here we go. It may not
Did you figure it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Picturesque as yours, but
No, that's fine, just as long as we get the picture. All right, let me grab
you're
him.
gonna have to just both hand that dude for
Yeah.
sure. Try to get your both hands underneath him.
Yep, I am. Hold on, he's moving. All right, you ready?
Yep. Then flatten him out. One zoom. What a beautiful fish, dude. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, now pop him in there and see if you can kind of hold his tail. Put him in the water and see if you can hold his tail and kind of feed him. Hold his tail. Just kind of hold him until he swims out of your hands.